Hi guys, welcome to Sprout Knowledge Solutions. So in this video, we'll see like with a 500 rupees, you can update your resume. You will get a project. You are going to learn a lot of things. So let's see how. Okay. So there is something called as full stack development. So this is right now very demand in the industry. So let's see what is full stack development. So full stack development consists of three parts: front end, back end, then database. So suppose you are new to this all of these keywords, so I'll just explain. So basically full stack development is related to computer and IT field. This is like a website or any application that we are already using. For example, you can take Amazon website. It is available in mobile app as well as website. So that is a full stack. So what is full stack? So suppose let's say this is the Amazon UI. You can see your name, and here you can see items. Some items will be there, and here you can see some categories. This is called, whatever you see is called front end, or you can type front end. So here you are clicking this. You are clicking this image. So it is opening in another screen. So let's say it is opening another screen. Maybe you can come here. So it is opening to the another screen. So here the product image will be there. Then product description will be there. Then price and buy option will be there. So if you click buy, again it will open, and it or buy or add to cart will be there. So if you add to cart, then it will add it in your cart like this. Like this it will be added. So if you click this, it will open the final stage where you can see the billing and some billing GST details and total, and you will have option to buy. Then you will have the options, everything. Then once you click buy, then the final page comes order confirm. So let's consider this scenario and see where is this front end, back end database is coming. So first of all, if you log in, so you are logging in with your account, Amazon account, with your help of your Gmail account or some other account, you are logging in. So if you are logging in, first of all, what will happen? There will be, this is your mobile. It will connect it to the ISP. ISP is internet service provider. Maybe it's a Jio or like Airtel, the internet provider. Then it will connect to the actual Amazon server, and here all the user details should be there. So in this your name will be there, so it will check whether your name and your password is correct. If it is correct, then it will allow, okay, he is a valid user, and it will open this screen. So this is the first step. So when you click, this is front end, and when you type something, it's going, the request is going here, and the response is coming, right? This is called the back end, and your details are already stored in the Amazon database. So that's called database. Your details are stored somewhere. That's called database. And in this scenario, you are seeing these items. So these items mostly will be related to your interest. For example, if you are looking for cloths, it will be showing mostly cloth products, like example pant. And if you are looking for some fashion items, it will show for like fashion items. If you are looking for some shoes, it will be showing that kind of things. So basically this is coming from the back end. Okay. So next, this everything by add to cart, everything is a back end. So now we'll come to this one. So what is front end? Whatever you see is called front end, and whatever happens at the back. So when you click something, something is happening, right? So that's taken care by this back end. And this database is to store all the details. So what kind of product you have ordered, what is your history, everything will be stored in the database. Okay. So these are the simple explanation of this full stack development. So there are a lot of technologies available to implement this full stack development, but front end is mostly HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript. So backend can be anything. For example, you can go with Express JS, or you can go with Angular, JS, Vue.js. There are a lot of JavaScript frameworks basically. Then you can go with Django framework, which is Python. There are another server like Flask, which is again Python. So there are a lot of backend tools are available. And database, in consider database, you can see MySQL is most famous, MongoDB, Firebase. So these are some of the backend tools, database you can learn. So whatever the framework you are choosing here, but the front end remains the same for the web applications. So web application basically it can be a mobile app, also a website. So those are called web application. For this web application, we need to learn these things: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap. So with the help of this knowledge, you can take the next level. Whatever you are confident with JavaScript, you can choose JavaScript, any of the JavaScript framework. So nowadays you can see React also used in front end. So React.js you can use. Okay, there are a lot of JavaScript frameworks. Else you can go with, if you are strong in Python, you can go with Django framework or else Flask framework. Okay. So what we are offering is, we understood this scenario and we want to impact students like you. So what we do, we are framing an internship on this front-end development. Okay, so as a beginning stage of full stack development, we are focusing on front-end development, where there are a lot of vacancy for front-end developer also. So front-end developers, so they need to know basically HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. There are a lot of things to learn in HTML and CSS itself. Okay, Bootstrap, then JavaScript. So we are conducting a 5 days online course along with 15 days of project support. This will be conducted over Zoom. So 5 days will be live training, and you'll be creating at least 1 to 2 projects, and you'll be given a final project. Then you will have a lot of access to this. We'll put all the details in the description. And finally, we provide internship certificate also and course completion certificate also. Internship certificate and course completion certificate, everything we provide for just 500 rupees. So this just a cost of your movie ticket or just a lunch price or dinner price. So but this will impact your career in terms of you can add these things to your resume. At least you can able to answer few questions in the interview. So this one is open to all. It's not only for computer science or IT students. It can be learned by anyone who have interest to learn something new. So this is a beginner level course. So anyone can learn. Anyone can learn. Even if you are working in a non-IT, already you are working professionals, you can still learn this. You will get an idea, basic idea. From there, you can take our premium courses where you can learn more advanced stuff. So this will be like one-on-one classes or as well as group classes we are providing. So this thing you can opt after the internship if you are willing to learn more and more. Else this content, whatever we are providing in the 5 days, is much more enough as a beginner. You can learn lot of stuff, new stuffs. Okay, so all the details are provided in the description, and our contact details also provided. So if you have any doubt, please reach out to us. Thank you.